Be honest. How many times have you checked your phone today? Once? Twice? Or are you still holding it right now while watching this video? Welcome back to the Learning Studio. In today's psychology series, we're diving into the psychology of technology, how social media and digital tools are shaping our behavior, and why we sometimes feel glued to our screens. Social media and behavior. Psychologists have found that social media works a lot like a slot machine. Every like, comment, or notification gives your brain a tiny dopamine hit, that feel-good chemical. That's why scrolling TikTok at 2 a.m. feels easier than going to sleep. But here's the twist. While social media can connect us and give us a sense of belonging, it can also fuel comparison, FOMO, and anxiety. Digital addiction. Digital addiction isn't just about spending too much time online. It's when screen use starts interfering with school, work, sleep, or relationships. Ever promised yourself just 5 minutes of Instagram and then looked up to realize an hour's gone? Yeah, that's no accident. Platforms are literally designed to keep us hooked. Online behavior. The internet also changes how we behave. For example, people may say things online they'd never say face-to-face. That's called the online disinhibition effect. Group dynamics shift too. From cancel culture to viral trends, online communities shape what we think is normal. Even our attention spans are affected. Quick content trains our brains to crave constant stimulation. Why it matters. Understanding the psychology of technology helps us take control instead of being controlled. It's not about deleting every app. It's about using tech mindfully, setting boundaries, and making sure screens work for us, not the other way around. So here's the takeaway. Technology isn't good or bad by itself. It's a tool, but how we use it can either build connections or create stress. The more we understand the psychology behind it, the smarter our choices become. In our next episode, we'll switch from phones to offices with workplace and organizational psychology, exploring leadership, teamwork, and what really makes people productive at work. Check the playlist link in the description, subscribe if you haven't, and remember, don't just scroll. Scroll smart.